Hit me, Jeff. Talk to me, please. They say my truth too bad, and God, I don't believe. I'm still.
Man, come back on the video, man. We know we're outside this thing. Motorcycles outside, and we're at Hellcats, everything. And I'll tell y'all I get to it. But we're at the mall at Doctoria. Y'all see over there, you can't really see because my cabin won't slide in, it won't work. So I'll let y'all know that. But eventually soon, I'll get y'all a new camera for y'all and swipe in. And I'm gonna show y'all this.
My guys get turned up, you feel me? Chat?
Yeah, we get turned up. Chat, I'm fucking sweating this right now. Y'all see this? I'm sweating, I have no towel on me, man. Yeah, we're still doing this, and yeah, man.
We got motion.
We have motion. We're motion. And yeah, man. Y'all too. I'll see y'all in part of the video. Crazy ass shit.
Yes, sir. This is cool. Yeah, he good. He cracked, bro.
Oh God. Man, it's hot out here. I'm gonna get
He ran over it and jumped over the front. That shit is crazy.
It's so beautiful.
That was like...
Oh.
You good? You wanna be in the video? What's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog? We out here, Garagekingg out at Map. We back in it again. We got my boy Michael in the GTR. Wait till it gets dark, gonna see the flames out that joint. We got the Audi with the hood stack, y'all already know it. We got my Golf. That bad boy, we're setting it up for audio. It's got a 15-inch sub in the back of that little thing. We got my E46. It's turning the corner right now. We try to bring most of the collection out today. We're gonna be outside. Let's show up, show out. We got the whole crew out today. I'll see you guys later.
Yep, you were staying tuned, and I'll see y'all to it.
Yes, sir. I just got hella energy, you feel me? I have to drink.
Yeah, I mean, has the sugar? Is it break allergies? I finished my shit. I just like shit.
My shit was busting.
Oh God. Ooh, it's hot out here, chat. Y'all know what it is. But I'll see y'all to it. Peace.
A few moments later.
Had $1 million vibe in the body to go. Them birthday cakes, they stole the show. So sexual, she was flexible, professional, taking it slow. Hold up, wait a minute, do I see what I think I will? Did it like I seen, sure they get low. Ain't the same when it's up that close. Make it rain, I'm making it snow. Up the pole, I got the backbone. I'ma say that I prefer them to blow. I'm into that, I love women exposed. She threw it back at me, I gave her move. That ain't a problem, I know what it is. She had them. Baby girl, I'm the man. I put that rubber band. I knew it was over. That Henny and Cola got me like a soldier. She ready for Rover. I
already know it. I see y'all too.
Herself. Oh.
Wait.
Oh my God.
There you go.
Come on. I see it, dude. Wait, do little biggies. Do biggies. Do biggies. That's so awesome. You got blinkies. Kia. Let's see what she got. Come on, come on. Oh.
Good night.
No, I think you passed. All right, we'll see you next one. Good to go. We might be a little biased, but it's okay. I think you passed. We're good. Mario, oh, I'm coming. All right, so, all right. Oh my God, Mario. Mario, you need to. Oh my God. Dang it, Mario.
Whoa! Yeah! What? Big ass. Oh, man, that was crazy, boy. Big ass on the back of that trunk.
Oh. Ah! What the? Is that a view encore in the line? Oh! Alright, Patrick, come on, see it. Good! Come on! Corey, she do a little part of limbo? No? Get her out of there. Alright, guys, let's lower one.
Hot out here, Chad.
Lower it again.
It's lit, Chad. Like, this is the greatest of all time. You already know.
That's where I'm at.
Ooh, I don't know about this one. Oh, hold on.
Wait.
Yeah, make it next round anyways. Alright. Next. Miata. Come on. Little blinkies. Little blinky. Oh! Hey, he got it. Alright, let's see.
We got this one. We got this one.
Yeah, come on. Alright, come on.
$1.
Alright, he's good. He's good, guys. We got a quick. Hold on, stop. Yeah, he's good. We're good. Alright, come on. Come on, Matt. You're good to go. Perfect. Weak set rivalries here. Yeah. I told you I'm biased. Mario! Come on! Yeah, I got some money on me now. We're a little bit rich tonight. No. Oh my God. Yeah, he's got it too damn big. Got some big old guys on that car.
Why is it?
Okay, what are we doing? What are we DJ, play something hype. Get the crowd hype. Play something hype. This makes me sit in the corner.
Oh, shit.
Hold on. Mario, you got money on you?
Oh, shit.
How much money you got on you? I'll get it later. What you got on you?
Hold on.
Hold on. Pause, guys. Time out. Camera. What you got for me? Hold on.
Hold on.
What you got?
What you got?
Come on. Hey, you might be out sooner or later, buddy.
Oh!
Alright, he's good. Alright, get on fast. Get him on going. Alright, keep going, come on. Keep going. Alright. I bet you. Hey, officers, do not let that guy leave. Give my money tonight.
We away from the car, Chad. We know in the hood.
Alright. All good. Patrick, come on.
Yeah! Damn! I'm trying not to fault bust my ass now. Oh shit.
It's fucking hot as shit.
Went back in trunk too.
Promise tonight. Excuse me. I might take a little more than I
He's making it! He's, oh my god, he's making it! Holy crap! You see that?
Yeah.
The air car's low. Good job, guys. Good job.
Yup.
Good job. I like it. That's a low car limo right there.
Alright, let's y'all to it. Utilize it next year?
Bring water guns out.
Hell yeah. You know what up? Man, you bump on me, weirdo?
Bro, I'm fucking I'm hot. I'm gonna go cool down. Let's do another cooling break.
I didn't do cooler break. We do outside things. What he's talking about? What he's talking about?
I need a drink. That car hot as hell, bro, inside it. In the trunk, bro. I almost burned myself.
In the back of trunk?
No.
On the front of the hood?
Yeah.
It felt good.
Did y'all felt the wind too when he did it?
Yeah.
I could have gotten the wind out. I didn't get a chance.
Yeah.
But, hey, go to another one.
Alright, y'all, I see you to it. Y'all pretty sick.
Yeah.
It's a Cadillac? What?
You would have him go
That's a
back
Cadillac?
to-
That's that what's this one? It said nothing on here. Bobby Sky Pack. Yeah, man. It probably be Sky Pack or something, Chad. I don't know yet. We'll find out to it. That actually clean Mustang. Damn. That's clean. Huh?
That's some fast shit right there.
That's a fast shit. Look, fast shit. Yeah, look. Yeah, I know it's a tire. Fast shit tire. Alright, I see you to it.
20 minutes later.
My fucking ear! God damn!
One more. Yeah.
God damn!
Holy shit!
God fucking damn!
I cannot.
We fucking the city up!
Bro, I can't hear!
We fucking the city up, bro!
We don't see them motherfuckers in this world, man! Holy shit! Liza, how you feel about your ear? You can't hear? Liza, I ain't gonna lie, I can't hear shit. Oh shit! Alright, I see y'all to it. Peace. You wanna say what's up for YouTube?
Garagekingg, go follow my IG. Go follow my IG. I love my 350C.
I already got you.
We outside with it.
What gotta say the camera? You not got no shit.
Yo. Bitch, I probably stole your daddy's scat. Hey.
On God.
We be outside motion.
More shit. They got motorcycles over there. That thing won't start. No. Oh, now it would. Alright, I see y'all to it, man. fast shit. Y'all know it. Stay in tune. Still we're outside. Oh, this boy back again from last week. I see y'all to it.
Come on, Michael, you got this. That's nothing. Give it a second. All right, Michael, keep going. Keep going. She's getting up the temp. I told y'all this GTR does not fucking play. I fucking told you guys. That's still nothing. That's little.
Yeah, it's
Oh
good.
man, it's here.
Nothing.
Follow me real quick. Habibi. Give us a little something. Habibi. Give us a little something. All right, guys. You guys ready to hear something crazy?
Let's get it.
Follow me right here.
Yeah, man, what a fucking year.
Quick question, do you think you have this win?
I don't know. We'll see.
Guys, the man is humble. The man is humble. Get down there,
Hey,
baby.
I took that one, so we're all good. It don't matter whoever wins. I got the win either way.
He's got the win either way, guys. You heard that?
That was lit.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
All right, man.
Let's do it, baby. Let's see you guys up there.
All right, Chad. I see y'all to it.
All right, to go! I gotta be a little quick. All right, everybody, give it up for the BQ. And for the Dakota. All right, yeah, I'm sorry. Hey, get go. All right, and is that it? All right. All right. 3, 2, 1, go! All right.
I hate people getting my way. I can't record.
Give it up for our reigning champion, the DQ! Alright, sir. It was great having you, man. Perfect.
My homeboy is still winning, y'all.
Mario. Mario just spawned in another car.
Why? You got it. You got it, Bubba. Hey! I ain't got that, get on. That, we'll get you going. It was good having you, bet.
Damn.
That's insane. So what? Still resonator and muffler buttons. That's insane, dude.
What's up, y'all, man? I can't hear y'all. My bad, y'all. I can't speak because it's a loud popping, everything, and I don't know. I can't just say that much. But I ain't gonna lie. But I might end up in my video, and yeah.
Oh, damn. Nigga, bro.
Oh God, we gotta go, chat. And then I see y'all to it next part of the video, maybe next month. See y'all later. And no. Go subscribe, go like my video, and go and everything. See y'all later. Peace.